So this is the index video of this course, which means I'm going to be showing you everything that we are going to be creating in this course. First thing first, we are going to be creating a head blockout and then a body blockout. After the blockout is done, we are going to be taking that blockout and try to design a character. And after the design is complete, we are going to be taking that design and try to do the shrink wrapping so that we can actually start polishing the body. After that, we are going to be start adding all the skin details and all the wrinkles. Now that we have everything in terms of sculpting, we can finally start doing the texture painting so that we can see how the character is looking with the color. We are going to be adding the eyes. We are going to be adding the eye tier so that we basically can give the personality to the character. After the body is done, we can finally start adding the cloth, which means we're going to be sculpting everything including shirt, pant and cap. After that, we are going to retopo them as well. At this point, we have everything modeled, which means we can start doing the UVs of the clothes. Obviously, the next thing would be to do the texturing and finally we'll be done with the clothes. After that, we can actually start doing the hairs. And at the end, we are going to be baking all the maps so that we can use this character in production and then just create a smile and end the course. So if you like all the stuff that we are going to be doing in the course, then consider buying.